How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we're going to go over how you can use the clear color combination in any of our MultiColor linear series as a work light or a super takedown mode. So for example here, I brought our Z6 linear in an amber clear color combination and our Z12 linear in a red-blue clear color combination. Now, since both of these units have clear in their colors here, you'll see when I take my green cables to the positive connection with the Z surface mounts, that my units will go to their super takedown or work light mode when the green cable is activated by the positive connection. And then another cool feature here is if you'd like your units hooked up to one switch for your flashing mode, as you see here, and then if you'd like to hook up your work light or super takedown mode to another switch, your green cables have independent power, so you can take your green cables and hook those up to another switch to activate your super takedown or work light mode. And then if you want your flashing mode on another switch, you can simply hook that up like that as well. So you can have your units on flashing mode on one switch and then your super takedown or work light mode on another switch. So for example here, I have our Virtue 2 in a red-blue clear color setup and our Virtue 4 in an amber clear color setup. And again, since both of these units have clear in their color combination, you can access the super takedown or work light mode. And to do that on your dash lights, I'll be using my SIG plug here, and on the pattern changer, I'll want to hold down my pattern changer for about 3 seconds. And then you'll see my units go to their super takedown or work light mode. And then simply hit your pattern button again, and then your units will go back to the first flash pattern in their pattern sequence. And then you can cycle through your different patterns, and then if you'd like to access your super takedown or work light mode again, simply hold down your pattern button to the super takedown or work light mode, and then back to the first pattern by tapping your flash pattern button. So that covers how you can use the clear color combination in any of our MultiColor linear series as a work light or a super takedown mode. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.